thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today I'm going to show you a AliExpress wig. This one is a lace front unit and it is human hair. So if you want to see more about this hair and this company, definitely keep on watching. All right, you guys, so this is the unit here. I have worn this unit. I have washed this unit. I actually really do like it. I want to show you guys it when I put it on. I'm not sure if we're going to do a full tutorial of me putting on the unit. I feel like there's just a million videos out here how to lay down a lace front using Got To Be Glue, y'all. Like, we've done it. We know what to do. But I did want to show you the wig. Before I do that, maybe I'll just do a curling tutorial so you guys can see how I style her once I have her on. So I just wanted to come on and show you guys how I cut the hair a little bit. I did trim it at the bottom, and then I did just go through and put some light layers in it. Of course, if you have shearing scissors, this would be a lot easier, but I like to show it with regular scissors because that's what most of us honestly have in our home, unless you're a hairstylist. So I literally just take pieces of hair, usually from the top layer of the hair, and go ahead and just slowly close the scissor little by little. If you close the scissor really fast, you'll literally just chop a chunk of hair out. But if you go in a downward motion, cutting slowly and closing the scissors slowly, you'll get a nice layered look. And just keep going through and pulling pieces and making sure that the layers are the way you want. Make sure you don't start too high up at the top of the hair, because then you'll actually end up just giving yourself a haircut as opposed to layers. You can easily turn an 18-inch wig into a 12-inch wig by putting too many short layers in it. Okay, so just take your time and yeah, just follow this little easy tutorial. I did want to tell you guys a little bit about the hair. The hair is so beautiful. I love it. The density is perfect, and once you add the layers, it's even better. It's a water wave texture originally, so when you wash it, it does go back wavy, and it's really beautiful. The customer service was really good with this hair as well, and it shipped within like 3 or 4 days, which was pretty fast. If you guys have any other questions about the hair or the shipping, definitely leave them in the comment section down below and I'll get back to you. If you want to purchase this hair, I'll also leave a link for purchase in the information bar down below as well. This flat iron that I'm using is my Hairstyler flat iron. I absolutely love it. I'll leave a link to purchase that too if you're interested. I did get it from Vertail, and that's just a website where you can get all types of hair products. They also sent me a marula oil, and I used that in the video as well, and it just gives a really beautiful shine to the hair and just makes it look really, really healthy, and I really liked it. So I think this flat iron and this oil is really bomb as well. So if you guys have questions or you want to purchase, I'll leave the links down below.
Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on it for me, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. What's up for me pay or chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey.